As I've mentioned in a previous video, I've been obsessed with effective Kwikweb training for quite a while now. I have tried various ways of training people. I have been to various training sessions myself. I have finally found a platform that delivers what I think is imperative to the success of the training. A few features of the platform that I decided on using. The material or the training is logically laid out for easy reference. It automatically tracks your progress. It has built-in communication systems that can be used for announcements and questions. So if you are busy looking at a video, while you're looking at the video and there's something that you don't understand, you can actually in real time ask a question on that specific topic, which will then be sent to the lecturer, and the lecturer can in time respond to that. Those questions will be available on the system for everybody to see, so that a database or a knowledge base is built up over time, so that when you do the training, you will actually not only be doing it on your own, but you will actually have feedback from fellow people that have actually done that as well. On the announcement side, if there's any changes to the system, if I have any live classes that are coming up that I want to share, I can actually make that announcement inside of the platform, so that it's basically all under one roof. With that, you obviously have direct access to me, so you'll be able to contact me, ask me the questions as I mentioned, so that at the end of the day, the experience that you get from the system is as effective as it can be. There will be access to additional material. You'll be able to take notes inside of the system during a video. This is a pretty cool feature. And these notes are automatically linked to the video timeline. You will, on the right hand side of the video, if you look at it now, you will see there is a note section. If you click on that, you can actually make a note while the video is playing. That note is then automatically linked to the second that you started typing the note during the playing of the video, and you can then go back to it at a later stage to read or whatever the case may be. You can also, once you've made all your notes, you can export those notes so that you can go through them in an offline scenario without you having to go back to read them again. There is also the possibility to add quizzes to make sure that you understand what you've learned. Again, all of this is about effective training. So it's one thing to have you go through hours and hours and hours and hours worth of video, but it's a complete other thing to make sure that you understand what you've learned. So the quizzes will be placed at strategic points to make sure that you understand what you've learned. Also, and this I think is a very, very important feature, specifically if we look at the rate at which the system is evolved. If any course data changes, or if there's a new video added, everybody that is registered for the course will automatically receive an email that will tell you about that change and will give you a link that will take you directly to the new course or the updated course or the new video or updated video, whatever that may be. Also, and with the way that technology is going these days, you will be able to access an app on your iPhone or your iPad that will allow you to take your training mobile. Basically, you will have access to all the features, but just on the move.